Hey guys, welcome back. This video we're going to be talking about the ternary operator. I'm in a new C file called ternary and you can follow along. So what is the ternary operator? So this is essentially another way to do an if statement. Very suitable for small sized if statements. So I'm going to basically write an application that will tell you if you have enough money to purchase something. And we're going to start with an if statement and then we're going to basically convert this to a ternary operator. And it should be fairly simple because the comparisons and stuff are not complicated by any means. So the very first thing is we're going to have two variables and they're going to be of double type. Or type double, I guess I should say. And we're going to have another one, cost. And obviously the way life works is we never have enough money, so gonna make that one more. And in the if statement, what we're gonna do is say, if money is greater than cost, then you can afford it. Otherwise, well, I guess you can't. And also in here, I just want to kind of tell them how much more money they would want. Or need, I guess I should say. And the format character we're going to use for this is LF. Just like that. Okay, so let's just give it a try. Oh, more? Oh, duh. All right, we need to actually put that in there. And the way we figure out how much more money we need, we take the cost and subtract how much money we have. Sorry, bro, you need 5 more monies. Perfect. So we have the if statement, and it works, but now I want to convert this to a much simpler ternary operator. This is also known as the conditional operator, by the way. And the way it works is you first put the condition. Or at least this is how I think about it. And then what you do is you put a question mark. It's kind of like you're asking a question. Is money greater than cost? If it is, what comes next is what happens. So we could do a printf statement here. And actually I could just copy this whole line. Sometimes when I go to copy things, it's probably just faster to type it out because it takes me forever. Like, seriously. So this is what's going to happen if it's true. And notice I deleted that semicolon. You don't want to use the semicolon, but you do want to use a colon. Now you put what's false. So you just take this printf statement and paste it there. And I'm going to just comment out this other if statement so I can keep it there for reference. And now let's see if it works. Sorry, bro. Same exact output. So let's just change this up and see if we can get the true one to work. You can afford it. Yay. Awesome. So you guys can see how the ternary operator works. The thing with the ternary operator is, at least for me, I can never remember the syntax. Like, even making this video, I was like, oh, I have to reference, which is sad because it's really simple. And honestly, I never really even thought of the whole asking a question thing with the question mark until just now, which actually kind of makes it pretty easy to remember. You just have a question and then you have the true with a colon and the false, and the semicolon goes at the end. So if you can get the syntax down, awesome. If you can't, you might just want to consider sticking to the basic if-else statements. Either way, it's up to you, but obviously the first line, much more condensed, much more to the point versus this with all the new lines and the curly braces. So hopefully that was helpful for you guys and that you have a really good understanding of the ternary operator now. And if you've enjoyed this series, please be sure to check the description for a link for my C programming crash course, which is going to give you basically everything you need to know from this course in a condensed manner, designed for hands-on prep for job interviews or just to get a review of everything we talked about. So thank you guys. Please be sure to check that out and also be sure to subscribe. And I'll see you in the next one.